अनायासेन मरणं विना दैन्येन जीवनं देहि मे कृपया शम्भो त्वयि भक्तिम् अचञ्चलम्. An easy death, a life without hardships, provide me kindly, O Lord Shambho, unwavering faith and devotion in you. Visiting temple is a popular culture in the Hindu religion. Paying visit to the temples are not only to get blessings but to get a calm and better mindset. The following three scientific reasons are the actual purpose of visiting the temple according to the Hindu scriptures. Moolasthanam. Many of us feel peaceful during the morning prayers in the temple. Religious shrines are places known for attaining mental peace. The structure of the temple is built after the idol is placed, which is at the pivotal point known as the Moolasthan or the inner part of the temple. This is the point where Earth's magnetic waves are extreme, which creates positive energy and builds a peaceful atmosphere. This is one of the main scientific reasons why we should visit a temple. Parikrama. Once the prayers are over, circling the inner sanctum of the temple where the deity resides is a very common ritual in Hindu temples. This is called parikrama or pradakshina. This parikrama helps us absorb all the positive energy present there. The parikrama should be taken in the clockwise direction. This is one of the important reasons why we should visit a temple. Visiting temple activates our sense organs. One can absorb the positive energy only when the five senses are activated. So we should visit a temple in order to activate our sense organs to absorb positive energy. The sense of touch. After the aarti, we move our hands over the camphor or diya and touch our eyes with it. The warmth activates the sense of touch. The sense of smell. The items kept around the worshipping area, like the flowers, camphor, incense sticks, create a strong essence and activate the sense of smell. Flowers like marigold and rose petals offered the most have a strong fragrance. The sense of sight. Worshippers close their eyes while praying, and once they open them, they see the camphor lit in the Moolasthan, the only light seen in the dark, which activates their sense of sight. The Moolasthana is a dark place. The sense of hearing. The bells emit a sound creating unity in the right and left portions of the brain. The sound emitted lasts for at least 7 seconds in the form of an echo. These 7 seconds are enough to activate the 7 healing chakras in the body. The sense of taste. Ayurveda states that Charanamrut given to us helps in balancing the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, as it is kept in a copper vessel. Charanamrut is a liquid prasad made of curd, milk and ghee. It also activates the sense of taste. Other important activities that are done during temple visit are applying tilak or kumkum. On the forehead between the two eyebrows is a spot that is considered as a major nerve point in human body since ancient times. The tilak is believed to prevent the loss of energy. The red kumkum between the eyebrows is said to retain the energy in the human body and control the various levels of concentration. While applying kumkum, the points on the mid-eyebrow region are automatically pressed. This also facilitates the blood supply to the face muscles. Offering coconut and banana to God. Coconut and banana are the only two fruits in this world which are considered to be sacred fruits. All other fruits are tainted fruits, that is, the trees grow from the seeds of another eaten fruit. In the case of coconut and banana, the shell or the leaves is not used for anything. To grow a coconut tree, we have to sow the entire coconut itself, and the banana tree grows from another sapling. This is the reason why coconut and banana has an important place in all religious activities. Thus, Paying a visit to the temples are not only to get blessings of God but to get a calm and better mindset. Om Namah Shivaya.